What if I told you this tiny desert lizard can regrow its tail, blink like you, and decide its sex before it even hatches? The leopard gecko, Eublepharis macularius, is a ground-dwelling reptile native to the arid and semi-arid regions of Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, and Iran. Unlike most geckos, it does not have sticky toe pads. Instead of climbing walls, it evolved strong limbs and clawed toes built for life on rocky desert terrain. One of its most famous biological traits is fat storage in the tail. The thick, fleshy tail functions as an energy reserve during drought or food scarcity. If attacked, the gecko can perform caudal autotomy, dropping its tail to distract predators. The tail regenerates, but the new one has a different internal structure and cartilage composition. They possess advanced regenerative capacity. Beyond tail regrowth, research shows complex tissue reconstruction involving muscle, cartilage, blood vessels, and nerve tissue. Regeneration studies on leopard geckos are used in biomedical research to better understand spinal cord repair mechanisms. Leopard geckos are also unusual among geckos because they have movable eyelids. Most geckos have a transparent eye covering, but leopard geckos can blink and even lick their eyes to keep them clean and moist. They are nocturnal and highly adapted to low-light hunting. Their large pupils enhance night vision, allowing them to detect movement from insects in near darkness. They rely on both sight and chemical cues, using their tongue to sample scents in the environment. Perhaps most fascinating is their temperature-dependent sex determination. The incubation temperature of the egg influences whether the hatchling becomes male or female, meaning environmental conditions literally shape the population's biology. Hardy, desert-adapted, and evolutionarily specialized, leopard geckos are a powerful example of how survival shapes anatomy, behavior, and even sex determination at the earliest stages of life. They are one of the few reptiles that use vocal communication. Leopard geckos can chirp, bark, or squeak to signal distress, territorial defense, or mating readiness. Their skin contains specialized chromatophores, pigment cells, that influence coloration and pattern, and selective breeding has revealed how genetic mutations affect pigment expression and development. Their teeth are pleurodont, meaning they are fused to the inner side of the jawbone and continuously replaced throughout life. They can replace lost or damaged teeth dozens of times. Incubation temperature not only influences sex, temperature-dependent sex determination, but studies suggest it may also influence behavior, growth rate, and even aggression levels later in life, showing how early developmental conditions shape long-term physiology and neural development. They use chemosensory analysis via the vomeronasal Jacobson's organ. Tongue flicking transfers scent particles to this organ, helping them detect prey, territory markers, and reproductive status of other geckos. Leopard geckos can live over 15 to 20 years in captivity under proper care, which is unusually long for a small reptile, reflecting their slow growth and metabolic strategy. Leopard geckos are ectothermic, meaning their body temperature depends on environmental heat. In the wild, they behaviorally thermoregulate, moving between warm rocks and cooler burrows to maintain optimal metabolic function, digestion, and immune performance.